be honest.
Bro, you can't say that.
The kids are more truthful though.
Yeah, they are.
Let's be honest.
Yeah.
They're not lying to you like
Yeah.
people hope to.
Yeah. Get off the side. No. Bad
You know what?
boat.
You're not gonna have fun today, Brody. You're gonna hit the side all the
A
time.
bad boat.
Bad boat. I'm tempted to just like stand up.
Oh, a bubble wee.
I have to like go to the side to try and hit it. Ready to go down?
Yeah. Okay, it looks like there's no one. No.
Nope. Okay. We're good for now.
For now, but there is people passing it.
It's okay. I got my change. I just gotta throw him a quarter.
Yeah. Yeah, we're good. We're Gucci.
What the hell? Why did it stop the
Ah! Spooky tunnel! Ah!
Sometimes I question my own friends. It's for times like these.
It's times like these you're
You
adopted.
know, part of me just wants to jump in the water, part of me's like, nah, man, I ain't looking to get into this goddamn hole.
I knew I was fat, but damn. I knew I was fat, but damn. There we go. It's like, I'm not fan shaming you.
That's actually beautiful, dude. I didn't even pay attention to the mountain climb. Oh no, we're gonna get sprayed.
No, we're not.
Okay, thank God. But I'm soaked anyway, bro.
I'm free.
I heard it. Dude, that was close for